Hi guys, since a lot of you are requesting, we are actually bringing back our Learn and Earn. This is a free forex trading education. This will be 3 days po, completely free from beginner to advanced po. So, from the basic to the complicated strategies, ibibigay po namin siya sa inyo all for free. So, if gusto mo matuto ng trading, you wanna learn how to trade forex, you can join us this April 27, 28, 29. So, that's gonna be 7 p.m. night from Monday to Wednesday. So, ito yung first time na gagawin namin siya this year. Last year, we had 8 batches. Now, we're going to have our batch 9. So, sana makasali kayo because I've seen a lot of people messaging me sa TikTok. Ang daming nagko-comment na kailan kaya yung free mentorship, kailan yung free education. So, ibabalik na namin guys. So, if you want to join this free trading education, just comment game in the comment section. Happy trading guys! God bless.